We're here at Martin Family Farms. Going to be 73 of these heifers, all home raised. They're all double vaccinated with Bovishield Gold. They have their Vision 7 for their black leg. These heifers are predominantly English. We'll be carrying about 25% Continental in them. That Continental is Gavley. But just a very, very nice set of home-raised heifers coming from Martin Family Farms. Mr. Carlton and Mr. Jeffrey Martin. These calves are getting roughly 8 pounds of feed per day. Along with the grass you see. Last few weeks hasn't been much of it. They do have hay and pasture in front of them. And 8 pounds of a pelleted feed. But just a very, very nice set of home-raised heifers. They won't quite weigh 600, probably going to be in that 575 to 600 pound range. They will be weighed before sale date. We will have a more accurate weight. We'll be about probably at 585. Just a nice set of heifers. There are only 73 of them. They're all black. So find one little chocolate right here. There's 73 of them. Won't be quite a load. There's a calf or two with a tip of horn, you see. Just a fancy set of home-raised calves from Martin Family Farms. These cattle are located just south of Siler City. They'll be on the January max sale.